Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Yeah, today's question is selling sandwiches. In this question, chefs sell sandwiches for a living. Each sandwich is sold for 8 rupees. Now, chef also needs to buy ingredients to make a sandwich. The sandwich bun costs 3 rupees and the vegetables cost C rupees. Let us assume that there are no other costs for chef right now. Now we need to print that what is the profit chef makes in selling one sandwich. It may be possible that the answer is negative, which indicates that chef makes a loss instead of any profit. So all we need to do is like print the amount of profit or loss chef makes by selling sandwiches for A rupees, while the cost of making the sandwich is B plus C rupees, right? So in the input, we'll be given three integers in a single line separated by a space representing A, B, and C. That is the cost of selling, the cost of one, and the cost of vegetables. And the output, we need to print in a single line the profit or loss chef makes in selling one sandwich. In the constraints, we are given that A will lie in between 100 and 1000, B will lie in between 40 and 200, C will lie in between 40 and 200. Now let's see the sample input one. So chef sells the sandwich for 1000 rupees and the cost of bun and vegetable is 200 each. The total profit that chef makes is going to be equal to 1000 minus 200 plus 200, that is 1000 minus 400, which is equal to 600. Now in the second input, we are given that chef sells the sandwich for 100 rupees, but the cost of bun is 200 rupees and the cost of vegetables is 200 rupees. So the overall loss that chef makes is 100 minus 400, that is negative 300, right? So 300 is the loss that chef makes. So now for the solution, all we need to do is take in the input of A, B, and C and print A minus B plus C, right? So now, first of all, let's see the solution in Python and then C++. So yeah, this is the solution in Python. So we are first of all taking in the input of A, B, and C using this. Now, what are we doing here? So to break this down, we're first of all taking in the input of the whole line as a string and then splitting it with respect to spaces. So we'll get a list of strings by this much part. Now we'll convert that list of strings into a list of integer using this map function and will map all of those elements of the list inside A, B, and C. And in the end, we'll be printing A minus B plus C. Notice here to include these brackets to keep the expression mathematically correct. Otherwise, you'll be getting a wrong answer. So yeah, this is pretty much the solution in Python. Now let's see the solution in C++. So yeah, we'll start by defining the integers a, b, and c. We'll take in the input of the integers a, b, and c. And in the end, we'll be printing a minus b plus c. And this is pretty much the whole solution. Notice here to keep these brackets correct. Otherwise, you'll be getting a wrong. You may get a wrong answer. So yeah, this is pretty much the whole solution. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye bye.